Get ready for the future of mobile. The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold is here, redefining what a phone and tablet can be. This incredible device, glimpsed at CES 2026, is a true phone-tablet hybrid, finally delivering on the promise of foldables that actually fit in your pocket. Forget bulky alternatives. The Z TriFold feels impressively sleek, measuring just 3.9 millimeters thin when open, making it incredibly practical for everyday use. What's truly surprising is its dual functionality. A spacious 6.5-inch cover display handles quick tasks like a regular phone, while an expansive 10-inch internal display unfolds for ultimate productivity, movie watching, or even typing papers. This isn't just another foldable. It fills a unique niche, offering a genuine tablet experience on the go. Imagine seamless multitasking with 3 apps open, feeling less compromised than ever before, especially with Samsung DeX. You won't believe the camera power packed into this slim design. A stunning 200-megapixel main sensor, plus 45-watt super-fast charging, and an incredible 5,600 mAh battery designed to last all day. And here's the shocker. Samsung is including a charging brick in the box. For those looking to buy the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold, check the links in the description for early access or pre-order information. This revolutionary device, already selling out in minutes in other regions, is set to launch in the US in early 2026, making 2025 the perfect time to get ahead of the curve.